Few scripters would like to learn how to make this leaderboard, which has Datastore added to it, and it displays the player's coins and level, then you're gonna have to watch this whole video. Hey guys, New Gamer here, and welcome to the tutorial of how to make a leaderboard with Datastore in it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, with the like button, so you never miss out when I upload a new video. So, let's get started. First off, we are going to start making our leaderboard. What you're gonna have to do is click the plus in the server script service, insert a script. I'm gonna rename mine to Leaderboard script. Actually, I'm gonna call it Leader Stats because that's the original name. Okay, now once you have that, I'm going to clear print hello world, and you're going to say this: game.players.player added connect function PLR, which is player for short, because we are getting the player that joined the game. Now what you're gonna do is say local leader stats equals to instance.new folder. Okay, now we're going to say leader stats dot name equals to leader stats. I'm sorry, I'm getting so much typos in this video. Leader stats dot parent equals to PLR. Now once you have that, and click enter. Then you're going to say, now this is the part where we make the coins and level. So local coins equals to instance dot new int value. It has to be an int value, not a number value or anything else. Now we're gonna say coins dot name equals to coins, or you can name it whatever you want. You can name it like bucks, money, or like I'm just gonna name mine coins. Okay, now once you have your coins, then you're going to say coins dot parent equals to leader stats. Okay, now once you have your coins value, you're gonna click enter, and here's the part where you make your level, or you can just make one leader stat, which is coins. But I'm gonna put in a level. The local level equals to instance dot new int value. Level dot name equals to level dot parent equals to leader stats. Okay, now once you have that, you should have your leader stats script all set up. Leaderboard script. Okay, now let's go and test this in our game. As you can see, when we spawn in, we look in the top right corner and we can see that I have coins and level. I have 0 for now. I can change my value of coins by going to my character, clicking the arrow to leader stats, and changing the value that we made to, I'm going to give myself 25 coins. Then I'm going to give myself level 5. And there you go, you can change it. Okay, now click stop. Click the plus, enter script, and this is the part where we make our Datastore script. Now what you're going to do is say local Datastore equals to game clone get service Datastore service. Get Datastore save data. Enter. Now I'm going to say game dot players dot player added connect function PLR. We're getting the player that joins the game. Okay, now what we're going to do is say wait, nothing. Now we're going to say local PLR ID equals to ID in a string underscore dot PLR dot user ID. Now we're going to say local save one equals to PLR dot leader stats dot coins. Now we're going to say local save 2 equals to PLR dot leader stats dot level. Now we're going to say local get saved equals to Datastore on get async PLR ID player ID. Now we're going to say if get saved, then we're checking if we saved or whatever. Then we're going to say save one dot value equals to get saved 1. Now next we're going to say save 2 dot value equals to get saved square brackets 2. Enter. Alright, now we are going to say else local number for saving equals to shift square brackets save 1 dot value, comma, save to dot value. Now you're going to say Datastore get async PLR, PLR ID, comma, number for saving. Now, outside of this, we're going to say game dot players dot player moving connect function PLR. We're getting the player that left again. Now we are going to say Datastore on set async ID underscore dot PLR dot user ID, comma, square brackets, PLR dot leader stats dot coins dot value, comma, PLR dot leader stats dot level dot value. And it should work. Now exit out of your script. But before you test, go over to your game settings, go over to security, and check allow HTTP requests and enable studio access to AP services. Enable both of those. Now we are going to test. Okay, now testing Datastore in Roblox Studio will not show up because you're in Roblox Studio. I don't know, but if you are to test this, then test it by playing the published game or whatever. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure to like and subscribe.